So hello everyone, I'm back yet again with another question that goes with delete node of the linked list in O of 1, big O of 1 time complexity, that is constant time complexity. So let's just see the question and then I'm going to tell you a very amazing part about this question. So you're given a node del node of a singly linked list, okay, where you have to delete this given node from the linked list, but you're not given the head. Okay, so you're not being given the head, but you've been given exactly the node, the pointer to the node that you want, that the question demands to be deleted. So after deleting the given node, the number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by 1, true. And all the values before and after the del node should be in the same order, right? And also just see the node part. It is guaranteed that there exists a node with a value equal to the del node value, and it will not be the last node of your linked list. So let's just say you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, let's say you have 5, right? And let's say you've been given a del node pointer. This is your del node pointer that has been given to you. Okay, so if I tell you this question just has 2 lines of code to be written and your question is done, but you know, the logic behind is actually, I would say medium to hard level logic that you have to apply in this. I still remember while I was in college, I was sitting with a friend of mine to do this question and we legit spent 30-40 minutes and still could not come to the solution because this solution is genuinely a tricky one. So let's just see. Okay. This is, it's like, I can actually say this question to be one of my most favorite question, to be one of those questions which actually shook me and let me know how powerful DSA actually is. So let's just go with this question. So you have to remove this, right? Now see, what if I copy the data of the next node into this? Because that node was anyhow to be deleted. So I can copy the other nodes data into it, right? And now, what if I just tell you I will be moving del nodes next to del nodes next. Does it make sense? So in a way, I did not delete the del node. I deleted the next node to the del node. I hope you're getting it and you can actually understand how strong the logic is. Like, you know, how tricky the question is. So let's just write a code for it. And trust me, that is why this question is just my favorite question. Okay. So what you have to do is you have the question as delete node. And you have got your del node, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to just move your del nodes. What? Del nodes data. You're going to have in del nodes data. What? Del nodes next data. And then you're just going to say del nodes. And then what are you going to say? Del nodes next is going to point to what? Del nodes next. I hope you're able to get this right. How you're doing it, it's just so tricky part of the question. So yeah, if you still have any concerns, any doubts, because you know, you just have to sit with this question for 5 minutes and then you will understand what just actually happened. Because it just happens so out of the box that at times you don't even understand what did she just do, right? And that could be the case, and that is very normal a case. Trust me, even this 2 lines of code took me like around 10 minutes to understand what actually happened. So I think that's just so normal. Yeah, if you have any concerns, if you have any doubts, please post them in the comment section. You can also make use of G forms to tell me of any questions that you want me to take next, irrespective of if they belong to the linked list or to any other data structure or any subject you want me to take in next. With this, I will take your leave. Thank you so much. If you like the video, just go in and actually like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.